Good morning. It's Thursday, August 24th, about 6 a.m. Central Time. Look at the precious metals overnight. They're weaker, but it's really, I think, consolidation after yesterday's massive surge higher. You got gold down $1, 1947. Silver's down 16 cents, 24.23. Copper down 3 at 380, but it's now the December contract is the front month. Platinum down 5 at 933. So, really, man, yesterday's surge, it was the ugly PMI number. So a couple things that happen. One, you get the ugly PMI overseas, so that downgrades their interest rate hikes. So you see all the foreign currencies weaken up. The dollar index gets this boost. All right, and that was what kind of got things going a touch here yesterday. I think it was people coming out of the foreign currencies, going into some of the precious metals like gold, like silver, things like that, just kind of parking their money in different places. And then when the U.S. session gets going, we see our PMI data come out extremely weak, completely reverse course. Dollar index goes negative on the day, treasury yields pull back, and it was really that reversal there that boosted and really accelerated some of these markets higher. So, it shows you how important the data is to the precious metals markets right now. We've got the Federal Reserve 27 days away to their next Fed meeting, between about an 85 and 88% chance that they leave rates unchanged. So we got to keep an eye on that. We also got to keep an eye on the Chinese economy. There's no real news overnight. They do have some massive debt that they got to roll forward. Xi Jinping is really under some stressful situations here to try and come out and support his economy. So looking at the numbers here. So on gold, we got to get above 1951. That was about the high in the overnight session, but we got to get above it. We got to close above it. So we'll see what happens. That at least just carves out a bottom. It doesn't do much more than that. It eliminates some of those previous days' sessions, and it will show you that, hey, we're starting to build a formation here. The 200-day moving average, 1971, also corresponds with the trend reversal point. That's the point where the market will go from a bearish trend, and all the trend traders, the longer-term traders, will shift to neutral. Now, we saw that type of move yesterday in the silver market. Silver right now, neutral trend. So what that means here is that guys are on the sidelines. People that played the short end down, now they're on the sidelines. Now they got to make a decision. Do we go long from here or do we go short from here on silver? They don't care about fundamentals on silver. They don't care about manipulation, short squeeze, blah, blah, blah. You name your laundry list. They don't care. So 24.42, that's a level. We got to close above there. They'll reestablish long positions. They'll start trailing a stop. 22.76, we break below there. They're going to end up pressing the shorts on that position. They'll end up coming in and establishing new shorts, looking for a momentum down into the low 20s. So outside markets here, they're mixed. You got the NASDAQ up about 1% on those NVIDIA earnings. The S&P 500 drafted a bit higher. Dow weaker. Russell also weaker. The dollar index up 15, 103.51. Crude oil had a bit of a sell-off yesterday. It was about buck and a half. It's up about 18 cents right now, 79.07. We'll look at starting to establish some new positions on there. I know a lot of you rode the wave up, got out of it, and also did the same thing on silver, did the same thing on copper yesterday. Phone was ringing off the hook. People wanted to take profits on that silver market. We'll look at some new levels to enter into the market. Treasury yields right now, unchanged, 4.20%. And then looking ahead today, we got durable goods, initial claims, and Jackson Hole. So if you guys need anything, you need a trial on our research, you want to check out, we do have a few different programs. You want a hands-off approach to futures trading, we do have the Metals Alpha program, and we also have the Global Opportunities program. I can get you out a tear sheet on that. It lets you know the minimums, the track record, and everything else. You got any questions, give me a call, 312-858-7303. Remember, futures option trading involves risk of loss, may not be suitable to all investors. Good luck and good trading.